I'm here with Flex Machine Tools out of Wapakoneta, Ohio. My name's Logan Skelly. I'm the sales manager. I'll walk you around the booth here, show you what we've got going on. Some of this stuff is new for Fabtech, so it'll be a great opportunity for you to see it. This here is a limited edition A32 Flex Arm tapping arm. We've hydro dipped it with a camo design here, and we are giving 10% of all proceeds for this limited edition tapping arm to the Wounded Warriors Project. So over here, this is an example of some of our ergonomic solutions. We've always developed custom ergonomic solutions for our customers to address those pain points in their operations. So for example, this is becoming a standard product for us because it is one of those applications that customers constantly come to us with some frustration. Mag drills are heavy, they're cumbersome to use, and it's hard to get the drill aligned with your part accurately every time. So what we've done here is we put it on a flex arm and counterbalance this heavy drill. We're using this drill here just for the show, but if you have a mag drill you love, you currently have one, we can mount that to this arm, no sweat, just let us know what it is and we'll take care of you. This also allows you to align it to the vertical face and easily line this up. So again, we can provide solutions for any tool that you have. Laser markers, heavy grinders like we have over here. This is another solution that we provide where we can take those heavy grinders, you know, the 20-pound grinders that maybe people jump down to like a 4-inch grinder just because of the weight, but we can add a bigger disc on this and allow you to use this all day long and eliminate all of the fatigue from your welders when they're doing their grinding. We're also showcasing here one of our part manipulator arms for material handling. This arm here will lift 250 pounds and we put it on a mobile base to allow it to be moved from station to station. We actually use this in our shop to change out lathe chucks and also to load some of our 5-axis machines when those parts are heavy and hard to load out onto the platter. This arm, this one, like I said, 250 pounds. For the show here, we've got like a 90-pound block of steel. It's easily controlled with a joystick. It's got up to 10 feet of range in the radius, so a full 20-foot swath. Easy enough. Over here is the legacy product for the Flex Arm product line. It's our tapping arm. It is by far the best way to tap holes outside of a CNC machine. No more using a T-handle wrench to tap those holes, snapping taps, scrapping parts. The Flex Arm will save you so much time and money by getting perfectly tapped holes every time and eliminating all of your tap breakage. So here on our electric tapping arm, we have our control panel. This is where you change the RPMs of this spindle. So we're at 200 here, up to 500 RPM. We also have features here that allow you to control the depth. So we call our automatic depth stop. So here's where you set up the depth of your hole, the pitch of your tap, and allows you to hit the button to begin the tapping cycle, and it will automatically reverse back out once it reaches the desired depth of your hole. But in this case, just for demo purposes, I will show you the manual mode where it's a simple button press to tap these holes. And as you can see, at the bottom of these holes, it clutches out. All of these tap holders have a built-in slip clutch. So when you hit the bottom of that hole, you get bound up with chips, you name it. It will clutch out in the tap holder and eliminate your tap breakage. This year, we're also showcasing our Flex CNC, our large open bed vertical machining center. It's perfect for the fabrication industry because it allows for you to run those long, large parts that have historically been very hard to run in a smaller mill or it's more of a manual process. This machine allows you to fit those long parts on a machine in one setup, which gives you more accuracy and better throughput. One of the awesome features about this is it also allows you to run what we call pendulum mode, where you can set up parts on one side, and while it's drilling, milling, tapping, you name it, on the other side, you're pulling off a finished part. So the spindle never stops. So you can get as much throughput on this machine as your operators can allow. Also, new this year, we're showcasing the FlexJet water jet. It's our high performance water jet. We're showcasing the pump here from our pump manufacturer, and we have a couple kiosks here where we're able to show some presentations on the features and benefits of our water jet. We have extremely high rapids and a really advanced software with motion control. We've got 3 models with various capabilities, but it's new to the water jet game, and it's really going to make some waves.